Magic Tree House Merlin Missions by Mary Pope Osborne. Prologue. 序言 One summer day in Frog Creek, Pennsylvania, a mysterious tree house appeared in the woods. 喺賓夕法尼亞州弗格克里克嘅一個夏日午後，樹林出現咗一座神秘嘅樹屋。It was filled with books. A boy named Jack and his sister Annie found the tree house and soon discovered that it was magic. 樹屋裏面呢擺滿咗書籍，有個名叫傑克嘅男孩同埋佢嘅妹妹安妮發現咗呢座樹屋。好快佢哋就發現咗呢一度充滿咗魔力。They could go to any time and place in history just by pointing to a picture in one of the books. While they were gone, no time at all passed back in Frog Creek. 只要指住書中嘅圖片，佢哋就能夠瞬間返到任何歷史時期嘅任何地方。喺佢哋離開嘅期間，弗格克里克呢一度絲毫冇時間嘅流逝。Jack and Annie eventually found out that the tree house belonged to Morgan Le Fay, a magical librarian from the legendary realm of Camelot. 傑克同埋安妮最終得知道呢一座樹屋屬於摩根納法伊，佢係來自傳奇嘅卡梅洛特王國嘅神奇圖書管理員。They have since traveled on many adventures in the Magic Tree House and completed many missions for both Morgan Le Fay and her friend Merlin the Magician. 此後，佢哋多次喺魔法樹屋裏面展開冒險，並為摩根納法伊及其好友魔法師梅林完成咗好多任務。Teddy and Kathleen, two young enchanters from Camelot. 來自卡梅羅特嘅兩位年輕魔法師泰迪同埋凱瑟琳 have sometimes helped Jack and Annie in both big and small ways. 佢哋呢，有時候會以各種嘅方式，無論係大同小，幫助傑克同埋安妮。Jack and Annie are about to find out what their next Magic Tree House mission will be. 傑克同埋安妮即將知曉佢哋接下來嘅魔法樹屋任務將會係咩內容。序言完，請期待第1章。